Gen Ed subjects. So, Gen Ed segment, society, technology, and society, gender and society, and then health, safety, and nutrition for recent students. So that is your usual. So that sometimes kung kulang din ang teacher, I'm learning chemistry and agri-biology of agricultural students. So your agri-biology one. So that is plant, agricultural biotechnology. So if there's genetic engineering, we should also so, ito sa atin, wala po natin ito practice sila sa issue control. So, how about the office administration? Do you have your laboratory? Dapat may laboratory pa mo sa computer. So that's steno subject. Be good in it because that steno can be used if you work in Hall of Justice. Sa Hall of Justice. Kasi in the Hall of Justice, kung may mga kaso, na steno ang pagkantang sa kaso. So, may nabala sa judge na steno na sa secretary. Sometimes allow me to sit down because I am diabetic. I have my diabetes at 2 milliliters. Way back 2023, I was amputated with one toe, middle toe. Kaya nga ako yung sugar na sa aspect. So, nagano, siguro matulak naman tayo kaya may ni Dr. Pasqua and our family history sa akin po diabetic. Lumami sa tingin ng ulo. Si ate ko nakakay, diabetic or diabetic patients are going through cancer because cancer not sugar. So avoid sweet fast. And especially if you have